Yo! What's up?
Big guy?
What's up?
How's it going?
Yo! Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to Nate Vlog. We are here in Newport Beach and we're gonna go check out some cars, of course, guys. Let's do this. Groovy vibes. Yeah! Car show. What'd you guys think of that, huh? Newport, saw some Raris, groovy vibes all the way. Dig that. Yeah. Aw, what was your favorite car you saw? Red wheel.
Damn. I don't even know. Probably that Pisto.
Yeah. First one, yeah. I gotta agree on that. Absolutely. But hey, check this out. It's Red Wheels. This is the famous car out of all of them. Look at that. It's the famous Red Wheels right there. Groovy vibes, huh? Huh? How about that?
Come on in, man.
Yeah. Red interior, red wheels. Most absolutely legendary car out of all of them, right?
Fastest, loudest.
Yeah, guys. So adventure continues. We're here now at actually where are we? What is this area? What is
Balboa Island.
Balboa Island. Is it Newport? Okay. So anyways, yeah.
Huntington?
Wait, what?
Did you say it's Huntington?
This is Huntington?
No, it's not Huntington.
Newport?
Yeah.
I guess we're in Newport, guys. We're still in Newport.
I literally said Balboa Island.
Oh, yeah. But anyways, the boys gotta go to the bathroom. Gotta go tinks. And we're gonna check out the pier. Yeah. Groovy vibes. You guys are trying to find the bathroom right now. Hopefully it's around this corner. Yeah, oh, nurse found it. There you go.
Great success.
There you go, guys, at the bathroom. So this is my first time here.
Cool area.
I wonder what they think of my Hermosa Beach sweater in Newport.
So you see that pier over there?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's like Newport pier.
Newport.
Like this is Balboa pier.
Oh.
Yeah. And then back there, that's my yacht back there.
Oh, there you go. Right on.
Like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, I could be the best.
Yo. So what you guys think of Balboa Park, huh? That's something different, huh? Balboa Island, you're right, Balboa Park. What am I thinking of, San Diego? Jeez, come on. Redo Yo guys, so what did you think of Balboa Island, huh? Here in Newport Beach. Right on. Yeah. A little stuck here, huh? Yeah. Trying to find red wheels now? Where's red wheels? Yeah? Oh, there she is. There she is. All the way over there. Ah. Newport, huh? Ah. Well guys, we are hungry. And guess where we're gonna go to? Mickey's Deli, Hermosa Beach. We're gonna go try that again, but something different this time, guys. So stay tuned. Food review, here we go.
There you go.
Yeah. You know how it is. Yo, guys. Here we are. Yeah. Here we are at Redondo Beach. Legendary spot, seeing everything. Look at that, huh? Get to see everything. Right on. Anyways, let's do this. Let me show off the sandwich. Big Boy's Nurse's sandwich, pastrami. We got rye. Here's mine. Let's get this bad boy open. Hella napkins. So here's the sandwich, guys. Really cheesy. Some bell peppers. Right on. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's give it a taste. Alright guys, so last time I had the calzone, the sausage, and I gotta say it was really good. So if the sandwich is good as the calzone, I think Mickey's Deli is gonna be one of the best spots ever. So here we go. Onions, meat, cheese, bell peppers. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Taste it yet? So first things first, tasting a lot of grease. I don't know. It's a little dry for me.
The bread?
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, it's good, but I think the calzone's better. So give this probably like a 6 out of 10.
That's the whole thing.
The whole thing, that's what we're doing.
You gotta finish it and then judge it.
Hopefully no stomach problems, that's the goal. And wash it down. Wait, is this a water cup? Whoa, hold on. Doesn't taste like water. But yeah, guys, not a water cup. Go ahead and enjoy this view and eat our sandwiches, guys. Groovy vibes. Yeah. So what do you guys think of your sandwiches?
I like it. I get it better than the one I had last time.
Better than last time. Right?
It's awesome. I get this every single time. Beef barbecue, I think.
Beef barbecue, yeah. Thumbs up. There you go. That's 2 right there. Right
it's like
on.
kind of sideways though, so it's like a 9.
Yeah. 9?
Yeah.
9 out of 10. Okay, that's a good score. Pastrami.
You know the remodeling they did at one they did at like Manhattan Village. Yeah. Imagine like that quality of like buildings and stuff. Like yeah, if you look the same, but like, or even Hermosa or the place we just went to. Like, they had just nice quality seafood.
That's exactly what it is.
Like this corner thing right here, like it could be such a legendary something.
Alright guys, so we're gonna do a water review right now. Water review.
I thought you were gonna chug it.
No. I mean, if you guys want to see me chug, let me know.
I want to see you chug it.
I can chug it, but for now, we're gonna try it out. Natural spring water, made by the French Alps. So this is French water. French water, guys. I don't think I ever tried French water before.
It's one of my favorite waters.
Is it?
It's amazing.
Alright, let me give a review about it. Let's see.
You can chug it?
Wait, hold on. Let me try it.
Might be kind of warm, man.
This, you know. I can taste the natural minerals in it. I can taste the difference in water. This one tastes like minerals, yeah.
What flavor is it? Clear. Oh, he's chugging it now.
Oh man. You're gonna have to...
Ooh.
Oh, little spill.
Ah, minerals, spring water, tastes like water because it is water, spring water.
So, was that too easy?
Yeah.
I feel like that's nothing for you now since I don't know. I feel like you chug crazy things now. Like a water, that's like a sip.
Yeah, that's why I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna do a water chug because it's like it seems boring. But honestly though,
how does your tum tum feel?
It hurts
right now?
like crazy right now because of that sandwich.
Oh, it's not the water. oh. Lean over the edge.
Lean over. Somebody's walking by. Oh, honestly, guys, though, like, yo, guys, so like, honestly, I think that was a mistake. Like, my stomach's like seriously hurting now. But anyways, so you got to see a car show, a food review, and a chug all in one video. How groovy is that, honestly, guys?
Stomach problems.
And stomach problems, absolutely. Always got to have the stomach problems. You know, I was doing a little bit fine, but then the water just... Bummer. Anyways, guys, groovy vibes all the way. Well, guys, that was the big adventure. Groovy vibes all the way. Hope you guys dig it. We'll see you next time. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye.